Welcome to Technologies. In this video, we will learn how to log in locally in a domain configured PC. Before that, you should know at least one local user account password. So you will log in locally. So let's start. So this is my Windows 11 operating system. Click on other user. Inside you can see I just type dot. The moment I type dot, you can see I can see my desktop name over there. So dot slash backward slash type administrator and type the password which you know. It's showing wrong password, so maybe the administrator account is locked. So you have to know the password and user ID which we used to install this operating system for the first time. That password and ID will work over here. So I'm not aware about what ID I will use over here. So I will use my domain credential, which I know that. So what I will do, I will log in with a domain name, like Kevin is my already domain ID. So I will use my domain credential over here and I will log in with Kevin. To log in with your domain credential, just press Windows R and type MMC in the run window and click on File, Add Remote Snap-in. Here you can add users and go down local users and computers, click Finish. In local users you can click on users. Here you can say your administrator is disabled, so you cannot enable with the domain credential, but see I will show you what message it will show us. See, it will not enable because you are logging with the domain credential and domain have no permission to enable the administrator account. So let's cancel it. But you can see over there one account is enabled, which is Windows 11 PC. So I will change, right click over there and click on change set a password, and I will try to set a password, but as per domain credential you are not able to change the password. So the point is you know what is the password of this PC while you configured it. Or if you don't have that credential details, like if you don't have the password what we use like Windows 11 for this ID, then you have to use third party solutions, like you have to use BART PE kind of XP or a hierarchy CD. With that CD you can boot and you can enable the administrator account and you can log in locally. So that is a different pass in different case. So right now we don't have that. We consider this thing. Right now we don't have this thing, any third party tool or like this. So at least you should aware about that what password you given. So what we will do, I will just go to my profile and I will switch this user Kevin. Okay, and click on other user, click on dot. So you can see over there sign into PC, backward slash. Now mention the user ID, which is mention the user ID which we saw over there, Windows 11 underscore PC was the ID. Now mention the password. So it's logging successfully. Now we log in the system locally, then just right click on a computer and click on manage and click on local user group over here. Now you can enable the administrator account. You can set the password also. See, the administrator account is enabled and you can set the password. Just right click over there, click on set a password, click OK. The password has been set. So this is how you can enable locally an administrator account. So that's it from this video. Thank you. Please subscribe.